Okay, welcome back to the channel, my people. So happy to have you here. I really hope you saw Saturday's video. The Legends tour was so cool. Wow, we still have more to talk about. We are checking a Hobby Lobby now. Prior to the Legends tour, I was able to check a couple wall farts. I'm going to show you those clips now, and then we will get back on the hunt here at the Hobby Lobby. Okay, we got a fresh F case. What do you think's gonna happen? Some kind of weird stamp up here, accepted. I don't know what that means, but we are about to see if it means anything. Come on, gosh. Give me a Renault, dude. Okay, so there's the sweet driver, of course. Who cares? Who cares, really? Liberty Walk, leaving it all. Porsche, leaving it all. Come on, where are you? Donut Drifter, nothing over there. Nothing over there, nothing back there. There's the Mazda, always check that. And side number 2 for my people. Here we go, cracking cases. That's right, Florida Man is on the hunt. My peoples, dude, of course, man. We are just not getting the soups this year. Oh my goodness, dude. What do we find? 2 of the 23s? We are going to check this box entirely, just in case. Custom Honda, leaving it. What else? Oh, the Corvette, dude. I totally broke my Corvette. Okay, I'm getting another one because I broke mine. I want another one. They're great. That thing is so cool. Wait, are there 1, 2, 3 Hondas in here? Come on. What a rip, dude. What a rip. Off. All right, whatever. We came, we saw, on to the next. Speed machines on the track, dude. What a waste. Holy cow. That Lamborghini, dude, you gotta watch the video. It couldn't even make it through the loop, dude. It just fell. It was so heavy. It went through the loop, dropped, and I said, no, we're not breaking the wheel swap Lambo in this video. Let's see what our bullet. Oh wow, people are leaving the Caddy. Dude, that thing is so cool. Come on, man. That's a great little truck, and it even says Porsche on it. Mustang. Oh, Dodge van. Dude, I cannot believe. Look at this. Out of the 2 cases that we hung up here, 3 of the vans are left. Only 1 Dodge van. Dude, come on, man. Mopar or no car? I'm just kidding. Wow, that was pretty cool. We got to crack another F case. Man, dude, if you guys remember last year, the F case was our nemesis, right? The gold nugget, 30 plus cases. The last case we opened finally had the soup. I mean, it was crazy how many. I had to buy full cases just to take a little peek. But yeah, shout out to my good friend Works Diecast. He did stop by the Diecast Compound Empire, WhatNot Collectibles YouTube stream area, whatever, and he showed me how to do the Corvette, bro. He put his phone down in the Corvette, the little C3 with the lights on. It's so cool, man. I'm going to show you that clip right now. All right, shout out to Works Diecast. He's in the building here at the Florida Man Diecast Compound Stream Room, WhatNot Collectibles YouTube Empire Stream Area Compound. And he's showing me how to do the Corvette. That's pretty cool, bro. It looks good, man. Yeah, no. It's way brighter with the phone. Yeah, the flashlight is just not the same, man. That's how it's supposed to be. I get it. I love how the interior is lighting up as well.
Yeah, it follows basically the windshield to the headlights.
Yep.
And it kind of transfers the light.
Yeah, it's bright, dude. I wonder if it would.
Yeah, look at the inside. It looks like you have.
Oh yeah.
Lights on the inside.
I was trying to see if it's showing like. It is. Yeah, look at the top of my palm there. Yeah. It's blue. Wow, that's cool. Oh, this is pretty cool. The little Matchbox 70th Special Edition 5-pack. Everything Special Edition this year with Matchbox. Every set. They're going to have 20 sets of Special Edition something. Okay, as far as Hobby Lobby number 1 for the day, 1967 Pontiac GTO convertible Woodward Dream Cruise. We've already seen these. We do have a greenie, and I think it's this Chevelle, right? Wasn't this? I think it was this Chevelle, right? Wait, what were the other cars? Camaro, Chevelle. Oh, maybe it was a Z28. Ooh, I don't remember. I really do like the series a lot. Oh, it wasn't the Camaro. That one's yellow. It must have been the Chevelle. That must have been the one. I think it was red. And the Garbage Pail Kids. This is also one of my favorite lines. Of course, the California low riders and the Garbage Pail Kids. We have this in the greenie, which is cool. We've seen quite a few mains and only one greenie. So I do like knowing that they are not pumping out a ton of chases. Would love to find the pink caddy. That would be cool. Down on the farm tractor. I found the greenie the other day of that. Oh, the Monty. I love that car, man. We got this. Either in this color or black. I gotta find it. We're gonna lower it. I'm gonna show you how to literally raise the axle on a diecast. Ooh, I don't know that we've seen this, the 84 M1008. I absolutely love knowing that GM has like specific model numbers for the military vehicles. It would be really cool to see one, to see like what did they change, you know, is the grill covered so the radiator can't take shrapnel? What are the mods from the civilian version? Oh, a double STP dually driver. I'm pretty sure we got this in the greenie as well. I'm surprised, honestly. For a long time, I didn't find greenies. I also didn't really shop for green light as much as I do now. You have to look for other things sometimes. So that's kind of where my hobby took a turn as far as collecting not just Hot Wheels, but other companies as well, because Hot Wheels are not always available. New Michelin C30 dually wrecker, man. These are great. These are cool. It would be fun to open one. The only problem is I think I only have a greenie. And speaking of bragging about greenies, we also have this one in the greenie as well, okay? Wow, this is pretty neat. Look at this, F100 in the Ground Pounders theme. The bigger wheels, the little small cab. The Ground Pounder series is cool, I like it. Edelbrock livery. I don't remember seeing this El Camino Ground Pounder. That's kind of neat, SS. Wow, look at the color. That's pretty cool, that's pretty cool. Dodge Challenger RT383. See, that doesn't work as well as the truck did. All right, no big deal, dude. We've gotten so much cool stuff from the Hobby Lobby over the past few weeks. One store down. Let's keep it moving, my people. The stores are busy today. Holy cow. But yeah, I hope you saw the Legend Store video. It was so amazing. You guys are the best, really. Luckily, my security guard there was with me. My security guard took some clips. Security guard got so many clips of you guys in our conversation. So the first video was basically a how-to or basically your experience at the Legends Tour, what it may be like, what you can expect. We're gonna do a recap video because I still have lots of extra clips of talking to you guys and meeting you guys, and I really want to do a recap video so I can show some of you guys on the channel. It was so cool to meet everybody. Everyone was so nice. We gave out a bunch of shirts. We gave out the keychains. I didn't really show giving that stuff out as much in the video. It wasn't about that. It wasn't about me giving it away. That was just something I wanted to do for people that came up and said hi, and that's what we did. So, but like I said, we have some extra clips and a lot of photos, so we will absolutely do a Legends Tour recap video showing my people. Anybody want to make a mullet custom? This is what you use right here. You don't believe me? You don't believe me? No, it's cool. It's cool. Sean proved it. He proved it. He knows what he's doing. So we're checking a Target now. We have not been on the hunt in a few days. Because of the Legends Tour, I wanted to be able to have a little rest and get ready for the week coming up. Yeah, so he said, even though this is really the El Camino, Sean said that other one makes a better mullet custom. And I believe he still uses that grill. It still fits in the Ultra Hot. I could be wrong. I don't remember exactly what he said. I'm seeing some remnants of that shipper, Jay Leno car, the Mickey car, the Roadster, the 2000 GT. Something cool about this car. Something cool about that one. Gotta set up a hidden camera. Who's buying these things, man? It's gotta be kids. It's gotta be like grandma comes in with the grandson, and then he's like, man, I really want a car, grandma. Can you please get me a car? And then grandma's like, well, we have this car. And he's like, well, it's better than nothing. Unfortunately, this Target has not been that great. I did see this new little mini cargo truck. And it's interesting that it's in the silver livery of like the special edition ones, but not in that same card. I'm guessing this was the Super Chase case, maybe, because I do remember seeing that El Camino. The never-ending 2-packs. That's too bad, man. It's too bad. It's too bad. Deluxe, yeah, limited. Where's the premium sign? Sometimes they have a premium sign. They don't have any Auto World premium. Oh yeah, premium right there. So just like Hot Wheels, man, they have plastic tires and rubber tires. I know we've covered this before, but we have new people on the channel. Don't forget, a plastic tire from Auto World is a deluxe diecast, where the rubber tires are premiums.
I know we've covered that before, but a lot of people don't know that there is 2 lines of Auto World cars. Unlike Johnny Lightning, I don't believe Johnny Lightning does that. I believe all of their cars are premiums from what I know. But yeah, definitely stay tuned. We will absolutely do a cool recap video talking about the Legends Tour, showing more photos, showing some more videos. I still have a lot more content that I could share with you. Huge shout out to Manny from the Legends Tour. You will find the link to his WhatNot channel in the description of this video and the Legends Tour video. Please give him a follow. He's a very eclectic collector. I can tell from his taste that he will be able to offer some very cool stuff in his shows. He did give us a Toyota Supra to give out, an Ultra Red, bro. What kind of guy gives the Florida man an Ultra Red and says give it away?
Okay, Hobby Lobby number 2 for the day. What do we got here? Oh, I love this one. We saw it last time. The Firebird Trans Am, dude. It's nice. I mean, if it was nicer. Oh, man. Imagine if that was like what Manny found with the white. Oof, Manny in your 2-pack, dude. Guy's walking around with $500 worth of chases in his backpack. But that's cool. I don't know what his deal. Like, Manny, were you trying to trade those? Were you trying to help another collector have them in their collection? Like, what was your deal, bro? What was the deal with all that?
I know people do trades. People like to bring stuff and do trades there at the Legends Store, so it's possible he had that stuff just to wheel and deal a little bit.
Hobby Lobby, what you got for me? Oh, the dually drivers. Yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, no, not the same one. No. Someone did make a really good comment from the Legends Tour video.
Manny, you got to check your White Lightning 2-pack, bro. There's some kind of error where the label for one of the vehicles does not match what it says on the car. Check that out, bro.
I didn't notice at the time. I was so excited for the Ultra Red, and just to see a 2-pack, White Lightning chase. Those are rare, dude, because they don't make a lot of 2-packs like they do the singles. Oh, V-dubs, that's cool. We haven't seen that one. Little 80 Golf GTI. It's so tiny. The wheels are tiny. And then some Union double cab. The packages are just trashed, unfortunately. I love the series. The card art is very cool. Look, another crushed item. Not good. Hubba lubba. Okay. Oh, the Tahoe is still back there. That trailer one. It's pretty cool. Oh, we got some Auto Worlds. I didn't even notice. Duh. Talking about all this Auto World stuff. The Charger. Oh, the Ford GT. I wish you were another color. It's all good, though. We do have this in an Ultra Red already. The Cadillac Coupe de Ville, which is Firethorn Poly. Yeah, that's nothing. Nothing. Okay, and those we already seen many times. Oh, look at this new muscle machine here. The Wait, Mad Wagon, this would be a chase grade, who cares? Dude, RWB 993 911 muscle machine number 18. That's 15. Dude, this was never at the wall fart. What is that? That's so amazing. Look at the green color. Dude, I love the 993. I thought the 993 was a slant nose, though, with a pop-up light, so I'm a little confused about seeing the bug eye. RWB right on the wing back there. Dude, the card is good too, and everything else here is so trashed. All right, people, get to your Hobby Lobby today. If you are a model fan, because the model kits, 40% off, dude. Maybe we should get one and build a model kit. Oh gosh, we already have so many projects with the wheel. Oh, M2 1957 Chevrolet 150. Look at the Moon Eyes livery on there. Oh, that hurts. That hurts the heartstrings. Oh, 40% off, dude. What's 40% off of $45.99? Let me know in the comments. Oh, no way. 500 chase pieces are possible. Only 5,500 of the Moon Eyes. Is there more? Dude, come on, man. I'm done. I quit. What is going on here? Every time we go to a Hobby Lobby, we get a cool car or a chase or something. Dude, look at this, man. A 57 Chevrolet 150 Moon Eyes model kit, 500 piece chase, bro. 500 pieces. So 5,500 total. 5,000 are like the silver one that you see right here, and the other 500 have the gold trim. Look at the mirror, the trim, the window, the bumper is gold, the wheels, the motors. $45.99 minus 40%. Is it worth it? Wow, dude, I'm so glad we stopped by today. We got a really cool muscle machine Porsche, a really cool Moon Eyes Chase 1957 Chevy 150, dude. Well, we did find an M2 Chase recently, the Dinty Moore. Well, cool. Now we got another one.
I love that it's only 500 pieces compared to some of the other model kits that could be more. Oh, thank you so much, Hobby Lobby. We got a Muscle Machines, Porsche. First of all, I don't even know how this is possible. I didn't know that this was coming in like a retail type box, dude. We never saw it at the Walmart. It's number 18. We absolutely saw cars that were within that range of numbers, and an M2 500 piece chase. That's pretty cool, man. I did not expect this at all. Yes, it's kind of expensive, $45. However, it's 40% off. Okay, that was pretty cool. I will get that 124 model kit chase. I'm not a big 124 chase guy, but M2 Machines 500 piece model kit chase with the Moon Eyes livery. It's a good one, man. It's a good model kit chase. We are checking a Target now. I don't see nothing, dude. It's like all of these white, like they're being left now. Like what is the next set? How many special edition Matchbox sets will we have this year? Because so far, what are we up to? Like 5 between the 5-pack, the single cards, the black and silver Bugatti and Ford GT. Like how much is there going to be? Just tell me now. Oh, the 124.86. I do like this one. This is nicer to me than the R35, to be totally honest. Jim Dangle's Crown Vic. We do have this chase from the Target exclusive series, but it's not the 124. Christine, just looking. Oh, we did see. Oh, there's a greenie chase right there. That's so cool. Awesome. Let's check it out. Is it a green? Yeah, it is. It is. It is. So there you go. The silver wheels, but there's a 124 greenie chase. So that's the second chase we've seen today. Will I be buying it? Of course not. But I will stash it back here behind this and that stuff and keep it a little bit hidden, and maybe somebody who likes 124s will have their day made. That is not a 124 chase the Florida man needs in his collection. Oh man, the Legends Tour had so many of these Star Wars cases and people were getting them. I was very surprised. I stand corrected. It's a popular set. The one with Baby Yoda or whatever that thing's name is, very popular. The Luke Skywalker, I know that guys were getting full sets, but it seemed like the Baby Yoda car was the most popular. Grogu? Is that his name? It's not Mini Yoda, right? It's Grogu or Grogu something? All right, dudes and dudettes, thank you so much for watching today's video. I will tell you right now that all of the subscriber giveaway packages have officially been sent out. I really apologize to Jessica and Jennabelle. I took way too long to send it. I was waiting for the 14,000 subscriber giveaway winner to confirm. It took them forever. From now on, we're just sending the giveaways as soon as they're won. Lesson learned. It's my fault. I'm running this channel on my own. I'm running the WhatNot on my own. I'm running everything on my own. I'm trying very hard. Luckily, we have Boosted XB's help on the WhatNots. Been a big help to me. Really appreciate you, brother. Works Diecast, also a big help. What a great community we have. Blockade, everybody, man. You guys are the best. That's it for this video. It was another good video. We did some cool hunting. We found some cool stuff. I love having the Muscle Machines Porsche. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I will see you in the next one.